What are the factors contributing to the substantial growth of electric vehicles? 1. Environmental awareness. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improving air quality. 2. Government incentives. Many governments are providing incentives to promote EV adoption. These include tax credits, rebates, grants, and exemptions from certain fees. 3. Advancements in battery technology. Ongoing research and development efforts have led to improvements in battery technology, resulting in increased driving ranges and faster charging times. 4. Cost savings. Electric vehicles offer potential long-term cost savings compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars. 5. Growing charging infrastructure. The availability of charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding. 6. Technological advancements. EVs are incorporating advanced features and technologies, such as regenerative braking, smart connectivity, and autonomous driving capabilities. 7. Global policies and regulations. Several countries have set targets and implemented regulations to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. 8. Consumer demand and awareness. Consumers are showing more interest in sustainable transportation options, and the demand for EVs is growing as a result. These factors combined contribute to the growth trajectory of electric vehicles, making them a promising and increasingly popular choice for consumers worldwide. Thank you for watching Gold Coast Car Electrics and Mechanical Tech Tip Tuesday.